Hey everyone, I'm Tom, and here's my top 3 native plants for this week. Number 1 this week is red maple, and why I'm choosing red maple is because here in New Jersey, it's our sap season, so we are actually harvesting red maple sap. You can see the tap right there. The trees aren't really running today. We had a little cold snap, so it's a little cold for them to be running today. But what'll happen on a bright sunny day is these taps, there's a shallow hole that's drilled into the tree, and through these taps the sap will actually run out, and then we'll fill up these buckets, and then we'll be able to take that sap and boil it down and make maple syrup. And this time of year, end of February in New Jersey, it's a great time to do that. You can use sugar maples, or where we have them here, we use red maples because we don't have the sugar maples. Number 2 this week is Eastern Red Cedar, or Juniperus virginiana. It's a plant I really like because it makes a really good windbreak. I'll back up so you can see this whole wild one here. But they are really nice in hedgerows because, like I said, they make a really good windbreak. If you have them around your house, they'll block the cold winter winds from hitting your house, keep your heating bill a little bit lower. You can see the cones on here right now. It gives it a little bit different color when they don't have the cones. And then the female plants will actually make those blue juniper berries that Eastern Red Cedar is also known for. So another really beautiful plant, again, an evergreen plant. So it's gonna have this kind of color, that green color all year. And yeah, so that's why I'm choosing that one. And my number 3 plant this week is pussy willow. So you can see this is a pussy willow stem right here. And you can see the fuzzy catkins that are on there, if I can ever get it in focus. And but you can see they almost look like a cat's paw. There we go. And this is something that's blooming right now. And you can see these ones haven't quite opened up yet up top, but a little further down the stem they're open up, and they make a great cut stem this time of year because it just adds a different texture, just a different kind of component to the landscape. But a lot of people use these in floral design because of that fuzzy catkin that you get on these pussy willow stems. Now, another cool thing about pussy willow stems, now this is a cut stem that we have, and you could actually take this and I could just punch it right in the soil just like this, and it'll actually root and grow. It's one of the really unique things about this plant is that it'll send out roots just from a cut stem. It'll actually call that a live stake. So those are my 3 plants this week. Stay tuned, and I'll have another one come for you next week.